guys, today I was cleaning my room and the TV was broken and I found this in a box there and I cleaned something like that, some here behind me, and the TV is right there. I'm gonna press this soon and I will show you I fixed the TV by myself and my friend.
Tagal lang nasira yung TV, hindi ko. May surpresa na siya. Yung pala, inayos nila yung TV sa likod. Yung war kasi, nung nag-karaoke ako, na-stress ako, kala ko nasira yung karaoke. Kaya binunot ko bigla, ang nabunot ko, yun pa lang sa TV. Wala na pambili ng TV. Kaya, ang nangyari, pinipix niya pala ngayon. Isang taon na to. Hindi na kasi necessary minsan ang TV kasi may computer kasi ay mayroon pang cellphone kaya okay na lang walang TV. Tsaka ang TV dito guys, magbayad ka every month ba yun? Every 3 months magbayad ka. Kahit pa cash yan or cable or magbayad ka. Iba yung sa cable, iba yung Netflix, iba yung mayroon talagang magbayad ka talaga sa TV, parang tax every 3 months pag may TV.
The control is gonna yeah.
Kaya inayos niya pala yun.
Like this and look at that. Or I can just sit like this. A really long time ago looking on TV. Now we only have a small TV in my mom's bedroom, and there June look on TV, and now I fixed the whole TV, and he's gonna like every time sit here when this is my room, because that's a bigger TV. He's gonna be surprised because he doesn't know this, and he's like parking the car now.
Okay,
and yeah, also like and subscribe this channel and link the bell. Bye!
What is the name of that?
And also, if you wonder the name of this video, it's Sweden Supermom. Bye!